Hey everyone, and welcome to another Seesaw Shakeup, where we take some classic Seesaw activities and give them a modern makeover that'll save you time and spark student engagement. Today we're going to be shaking up this activity with the formative assessment tool and focus mode to lead to a better, faster classroom experience. Right now, this is simply just drag and drop responses with just a bunch of labels. There's no automatic grading and scoring happening here. So we can use this though to actually backwards design and build formative assessments from what we have here. What I'm going to do to start this is simply right click on one of these labels and choose make a response. This is then going to ask you, what question do you want? There's nothing written here right now, so I'm going to label this the exact same that we have before, where it says first person and third person, and I'm going to choose this to be a correct response and hit save. You can see that this is going to drop in or add in my own drop zone like this. I'm going to resize this to kind of fit above the glasses, kind of like this, and then we'll go ahead and make it white just to give it a little bit more of a pop and match in with the background. What I can do to add things to this and add responses to it is simply do the same process. I'm going to right click on the next label, choose make a response, but instead of me having to write my own new question, I simply choose first person. I do have to click that this is a correct response and then click save to add those two. So now if I select this drop zone here, you can see what labels are correct and which ones are not. I'm going to do the same process for third person, but you'll see the tiny difference to adding a new question. I'm right clicking on the label, choosing make response, but now instead of adding from the drop down, I'm going to type in my new answer. So this one will be third person, just like this, and then I'll hit enter. This is now creating this as a new drop zone and a new question, and it is going to help differentiate between the two that we have here. So I'm going to pull this, make them look almost identical to each other. We'll make this one white as well. Perfect. So I'm going to go through and add in the rest of these. I can again right click on them, choose where it's going to go, first person or third person. Let's just do a quick double check of all of our answers. I'm going to click on the drop zone and see that we have everything selected. We have 4 answers for first person, 5 for third. Perfect. Everything is mapped. The last change I'm going to make is go to focus mode and actually turn off our tools. We don't need any tools for this specific activity. We simply just need the ability for students to be able to move things, and that's a default setting that's here. I'm going to click save and preview as a student so you can see what this looks like now on their end. So students are going to come into this activity. They can move things, they can check their work. The teacher is going to get all of this information on the back end as well. How many tries it took them to get things correct? Did they get everything correct? And the end result before they turn things in. This is an amazing experience for students now that is going to help save teachers time by giving them information that helps them make better, faster decisions. I hope you enjoyed this activity shakeup. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to see your activity shaken up, please drop a link for it in as a comment. We'll do our best to get to it in the future. Thank you so much for watching.